Today we will talk very carefully about how to install aluminum composite panels. The first thing we need to know is that if you are installing aluminum composite panels outdoors, the installation process is generally a dry hanging process. So I will take 2 videos to talk about the steps and methods of installing aluminum composite panels using the dry hanging process. Step 1. Measurement and alignment. You need to measure the main structure at the construction site and set the horizontal datum line according to the design and the actual situation at the construction site, and mark out curtain wall positioning lines and grid lines at the datum level according to the design. Step 2. Making the skeleton. According to the datum line and measured wall area, determine the datum layer, then set up the datum frame. The datum frame should ensure the position verticality and levelness is accurate. The skeleton is connected to the main body by horizontal and vertical frames through connecting steel corner braces to the embedded parts and the main body. The adapt corner braces are connected to the embedded parts by welding. After welding, the frame is painted with anti-rust paint and treated with anti-corrosion treatment. The third step is to install the aluminum composite panels. Please wait to our next video for more details. See you next time.